guys, it's Becky. I'm really excited to bring to you another home decor video. We got a lot of projects checked off our list in 2020, and one of the ones that I wanted to work on was the downstairs half bathroom. It is very simple, very small, nothing fancy, but when we redid our kitchen, we did like a remodel of our kitchen from kind of builder grade dark kitchen, and we did a what I would call modern farmhouse, all white, bright. I did a video about that. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I will link it for you in the description box, but I love how it turned out. But because our half bathroom is connected to the kitchen, once the kitchen was done and all bright and shiny and new, it really, I think, emphasized the fact that the bathroom was dark and needed to be updated. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm sharing with you guys today. The interesting part about today's video is pretty much every single thing in this bathroom remodel came from Amazon. So it's Amazon home decor, Amazon light fixtures, Amazon everything. So that's what makes this video special. So if you want to see how we redid our downstairs half bathroom slash guest bathroom into what I would still also call a modern farmhouse, with pretty much like 90% of what's in there all came from Amazon, then stay tuned. Okay guys, it's all finished. Hey, you can see me in the mirror and you can see some of our kitchen in the background. So this bathroom is the half bathroom. It's right off of the kitchen and the laundry room is right here. So it's a really small bathroom. It's the only bathroom downstairs and it's also our guest bathroom. And you guys saw what it looked like before. I still like the color. I think it was a pretty color and it was a good color for a small bathroom. But once we redid the floors in the kitchen and going into the bathroom, it just made it really dark. And since it is a small bathroom, I felt like it made it too dark. So I definitely wanted to lighten it up a lot, which I think we for sure accomplished that. This is the wall color, ignore my shadow, in the whole house except for like bedrooms and like the office and stuff. Like the main color of the house is this color. It's a custom mix from Sherwin-Williams. So what I did was I took it and I told them I wanted them to lighten it up. So they lightened it to 50% of the original color. So this is technically the same color as the main house. It's just a lot lighter, which I think is nice. It's a little bit different, but still neutral and still ties into the kitchen. So that brightened up the space a lot. And 90% of everything in this room came from Amazon, which I think makes it really fun because everybody shops on Amazon. It may not be the place you think of when it comes to home decor, but as we went to Home Depot and Lowe's and all these different stores looking for light fixtures and different things, we couldn't find anything we liked. And when I looked at Amazon, I found pretty much everything I needed on there. So that's one reason I think this remodel is really special, because 90% of it came from Amazon. So that's the wall color. Obviously the main thing we changed was the wall color to make this room match a lot more of the kitchen. So it's now kind of like the modern farmhouse style. So I wanted the black mirror. That was definitely the main thing I wanted for this room, to change the whole theme. I already had a black mirror, but it had the really thick rim and I just didn't like how heavy it looked. So took it down and I got this one on Amazon and I've been really happy with it. I got one at Hobby Lobby, but the mirror was warped. It just wasn't made very good, and so every time you'd walk by it was like a funhouse effect. So this one is perfect. It was very, very affordable, and it has like it's kind of like a deep set mirror, but I think that definitely changed the whole feel of the room. We also updated the light fixture. This also came from Amazon. Again, very affordable. The girls' bathroom light came from Amazon. So I'm really starting to realize that that's the place to go when you're looking for light fixtures. Let me turn the light off. Maybe you can see it better. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see it is black and has the two lights. And we actually directed the light globes up instead of down. If we want to at some point, I can make them go down, but for now they're going up. So that came from Amazon and was super, super affordable. I also got a black towel ring and a toilet paper holder from Amazon. They came as a set and they're really good quality. They mounted really nicely and they're just a true black matte towel ring and toilet paper holder. And I actually had a hard time finding those too. I looked at Lowe's, I looked at Home Depot. A lot of them were like the rubbed bronze, or they had like the kind of distressed, like rubbed off on the edges. And I wanted just plain black to match the mirror and the light fixture. So I got those at Amazon as well. I got our soap dispenser from Amazon. It's a foam soap dispenser. I also have one that is meant for gel hand soap. So when I'm not using the foam soap like we are right now, I can switch it to the one that is for gel hand soap. We changed the faucet that did come from Home Depot, just a plain brushed nickel faucet. And then this little topiary kind of thing I already had from years ago. I don't even know where it came from. The shelves over the toilet, we used to have the little Eiffel Tower vinyl decal, which was so exciting when I took it off and it tore off the wall with it. So I had to patch that over and over and over. And then I got these adorable little Farmhouse shelves. They are so cute. Again, from Amazon. I think it was around $15 or $20 for both of them. And they're actually meant to be hung this way, or you can turn them the other way where the triangle is at the bottom. But I went ahead and hung them the way they were intended to be hung, and I think they turned out really cute. They're the perfect size for over a toilet when you don't want to put too much stuff. Just kind of keep it simple, and I think they turned out really cute. And I was even more excited about the fact they were super, super cheap. So the decor, I wanted to keep simple, black and white, really light tones. So I made these two signs with my Cricut maker machine that I got recently. They sent to me. And I've been labeling and making signs like crazy. I just got some unfinished wood. Basically, they're signs, they're already made up. They're just unfinished wood at Walmart. 2 different sizes. This one, I got the designs from the Cricut Design Studio. Comes with like, if you get the subscription, you can get like access to thousands of different graphics. So those graphics were already on that. So I just painted the sign black and white like I wanted, and then put the vinyl decals on that one. This one I did buy. This little saying here, sprinkles are for cupcakes, not toilet seats. I thought that was really funny. My oldest daughter thinks it's gross, but I think it's funny because with any boys in the house, you know that sprinkles can sometimes be an issue. And then this little diffuser I got from Amazon. I went through quite a few of them trying to find one that had a scent that I like. I don't remember which scent this one is, but I'll link it for you guys in the description box. And I just got some black reeds instead of the regular brown ones that came with it, just to kind of tie everything in, and it gives just the right amount of fragrance. I didn't put too many reeds so it wouldn't be overpowering, and I like how that turned out. It's really simple and cute. And then this little topiary, which is adorable, and the perfect little size, came from Amazon as well. The only thing decor-wise that's in here that did not come from Amazon, even though I'm sure they probably have something similar, is this that I hung over the light switch. This is just a black metal arch wall piece that I got at Hobby Lobby. And then that wreath I already had that I got from Target a few years ago. I think they probably still sell it. It's just like a little baby mini wreath. And I hung that on there just to add some softness and a little bit of green on this side of the room. And that's pretty much it. And that's all we really changed. But like I said, most everything came from Amazon. I love how that this theme now ties into the kitchen. It's a lot brighter and lighter. And because everything came from Amazon, I got it super quickly and it was really, really affordable. So the floors are this dark vinyl. They're like the luxury vinyl planks that we have in the kitchen, and the office now. The only thing I will say about having a dark floor that I'm not used to, because before our floor is a lot lighter, is it is very, very hard to keep clean, because we do have this little guy right here whose hair is pretty much everywhere. So I did want to get a cordless vacuum just so that I could vacuum as much as possible and have as few of excuses as possible. Like, oh, I don't want to drag out a big vacuum, or I don't want to have to go plug something up. I used to have a cordless vacuum. I got rid of it. It was a Dyson, so it wasn't cheap. But I got rid of it because the battery died, like the original battery died. And if you get a new battery from Dyson, they're super expensive. And I didn't have a cordless stick vacuum for quite a while. But recently I got this one from Amazon. It is a lot cheaper than a Dyson, even a refurbished Dyson. This is the Kaival HEPA cordless stick vacuum. I haven't had it for very long, but so far I'm really loving it. And like I said, it is cheaper than a Dyson or a Shark stick vacuum. And from what I have seen, it works just as well. Now, I don't use it on carpet. The only kind of carpet substance that I use it on is my under the dining room table rug, which isn't a very big pile, but I don't know how good it would do on carpet, but it's doing really well on hard floors, and I do like having a cordless vacuum. I didn't have one for a while, and I have missed that. So it handles really easily, and I definitely appreciate the rubberized head right here, so when you kind of bang into the baseboards, as sometimes you do, it's not leaving big scratch marks. I hate that. Our old vacuum used to do that. So it's really soft and padded right here, and it's even got a light on it, so it makes it really easy to see like behind the sink or any hair that I might have missed. So that's really nice. It makes keeping my house clean a lot easier, and it's working out really, really well. So that is my half bathroom, guest bathroom remodel. Like I said, mostly things from Amazon, so they're super accessible to pretty much everybody. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. This room definitely needed a refresh, and it was really, the kitchen was kind of like what the catalyst for this, redoing this room as well. So super happy with how it turned out. I will link everything for you in the description box. If you haven't checked out my kitchen remodel, then definitely check that out. We've done so many home improvement projects over the last 12 months just with quarantine and everything. I will link my entire organization, remodel, before and after playlist for you guys if you want to check that out. And then to add this one to it because another project checked off the list. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like how it turned out, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.